In this media, you will learn about cooking range. Normally, cooking range is of 4 types. They are electric, gas, induction, and hot plates. The electric oven is explained in a different media. In electric cooking range, there are 2 to 4 electric heaters. The electric cooking range has the heating elements for heating up the vessels. The heating element is a wound nichrome wire. The heating element temperature can be adjusted using the knobs. In gas cooking range, there are gas burners which use propane or natural gas for heating up the vessels. The induction cooking range has induction stoves. Induction stove is explained in another media. The hot plate type has the heating element covered by a metallic plate. The metallic plate is used for preventing any electric shocks. Metallic plate ensures uniform distribution of heat to the utensils placed on the plate. Knobs are provided to adjust the temperature. Thus, you have learned about the cooking range. In this exercise, you will learn about the working of electric oven. The main component of electric oven is control panel or electronic keypad. The control panel consists of thermostat, clock, and control switches. Thermostat is fixed behind the knob. It is used to regulate the temperature of the oven. 2 heating elements are provided in the electric oven. One element is at the top of the oven, and the other element is at the bottom of the oven. The bottom element gets heated up to the desired temperature and automatically turns off after reaching the desired temperature level. The top element is meant for broiling. When the broil switch is turned on, the top element heats the eatables as quick as possible. There is a mechanical clock having 3 dials, namely the clock dial, start time dial, and stop time dial. The electronic keypad or the control panel can be replaced if it gets damaged. The selector switches allow you to select the desired baking time and cooking temperature and so on. The oven comprises of a light inside it. There is a switch on the control panel in some of the ovens to manually turn on or off the light. Surface burner switch is similar to the knob present in the gas stove used in the household. Turning the switch from low to high, the electric current flowing gets decreased and increased respectively, thereby changing the temperature of the plate as required. These are the components of the electric oven. Thus, you have learned about the electric oven. In this exercise, you will learn about the maintenance of cooking range. Unnecessary spillage of food over the induction pans should be avoided. The spilt food on the range should be cleaned immediately. The ceramic plate of the induction stove should be cleaned regularly. The oven cavities should be cleaned periodically. Rough abrasives should not be used for cleaning the oven and induction stove. The oven door should not be slammed. It should be closed gently. The oven door should always be kept closed when not in use. The oven rack should be kept free after cooking to allow free circulation of hot air inside. The range should not be left switched on when there is no cooking. Wearing loose clothes during cooking in the range is strictly prohibited. Do not allow children to cook unless they are guided by the elders. Ensure that the appliance is switched off to prevent any power loss. Thus, you have learned about the maintenance of the cooking range.